one problem in mathematics 1B. First chapter locus, second bit, first bit, second bit, fourth problem, second bit, fourth problem, page number 15. Find the equation of the locus of P. Find the equation of locus of P. If A is equal to 4 comma 0, B is equal to minus 4 comma 0, and mod PA minus PB is equal to 4. This is the given geometric condition. Mod PA minus PB is equal to 4. PA minus PB means the difference of the two distances. The difference of the two distances from P to A and B is equal to 4. Minus means difference. The difference of the two distances is equal to 4. Here first of all we find the values PA and PB. Here given points, capital A point 4 comma 0, capital B point minus 4 comma 0. Let P of x comma y be any point on the locus. P x comma y be any point on the locus. Here given geometric condition, mod PA minus PB is equal to 4. Find the values PA and PB. First one is PA. A point to 4 comma 0. P point x comma y. Let A point x1 y1. P point x2 y2. PA means the distance between the 2 points P and A. The distance between the 2 points formula under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square is the distance between the 2 points formula. PA is equal to x2 x minus x1 4 whole square plus y2 y minus y1 0 whole square under root. Second one PB. B point minus 4 comma 0. P point x comma y. Let B point x1 y1. P point to x2 y2. PB means the distance between the 2 points P and B. Same formula. The distance between the 2 points formula under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Here x2 x minus x1 minus 4 minus into minus plus 4 whole square plus y2 y minus y1 0 whole square under root. This is the PA value, this is the PB value. Here given geometric condition, mod PA minus PB is equal to 4. Mod means plus or minus. PA minus PB is equal to plus or minus 4. First of all, here we are taking PB right side. PA is equal to plus or minus 4 plus PB, squaring on both sides. PA square is equal to plus or minus 4 plus PB whole square. Plus or minus 4 plus PB whole square. PA square is equal to, by using A plus B whole square, A square plus or minus 4 whole square plus b square pb square plus 2ab 2 into plus or minus 4 into pb pa square is equal to plus or minus whole square plus minus square plus 4 square 16 plus pb square plus into plus into minus so plus or minus 2 4s are 8 pb 2 4s are 8 pb substitute pa and pb values in only square places. Pa is equal to under root of x minus 4 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square is equal to 16 plus pb is equal to under root of x plus 4 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square plus or minus 8 pb square root cancel x minus 4 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square is equal to 16 plus x plus 4 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square plus or minus 8 pb both side y minus 0 whole square get cancelled. Remaining value x minus 4 whole square is equal to 16 plus x plus 4 whole square plus or minus 8 pb. Here by using a minus b whole square formula, a minus b whole square is equal to a square x square plus b square 4 square minus 2ab 2 into x into 4 is equal to 16 plus, here by using a plus b whole square, a plus b whole square is equal to a square x square plus b square 4 square plus 2ab 2 into x into 4 plus or minus 8 pb. Both sides x square get cancelled. 4 square get cancelled. Minus 2 4s are 8x is equal to 16 plus 2 4s are 8x plus or minus 8 pb. Here we taking 16 plus 8x left side minus 8x minus 16 minus 8x is equal to plus or minus 8 pb. Minus 8x minus 16x minus 16 is equal to plus or minus 8 pb. Here common into minus 8 common. 8 to 2s are 16. 8 to 2s are 16 plus or minus 8 pb. Both sides minus cancel. 8 to cancel. 2x plus 2 is equal to pb. Again squaring on both sides. 2x plus 2 whole square is equal to pb square. Here substitute pb value. 2x plus 2 whole square is equal to pb. pb is equal to under root of x plus 4 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square square root cancel. 2x plus 2 whole square is equal to x plus 4 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square. Here by using a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square is equal to a square 2x square plus b square 2 square plus 2ab 2 into 2x into 2 is equal to, again by using a plus b whole square, a square x square plus b square 4 square plus 2ab 2 into x into 4 plus y minus 0 whole square y square 2x whole square 4x square plus 2 square 4 plus 2 2s are 4 4 2s are 8x is equal to x square plus 4 square 16 plus 2 4s are 8x plus y square. Both sides 8x get cancelled. 8x cancel. 4x square plus 4 is equal to x square plus 16 plus y square. X square plus 16 plus y square. Here we are taking x square and y square left side, 4 right side. 4x square, taking x square left side, minus x square, y square minus y square is equal to 16 plus 4 taking right side, minus 4. 4x square minus x square, 3x square minus y square is equal to 16 minus 4, 12. 16 minus 4, 12. Here both sides divided with 12. 3x square by 12 minus y square by 12 is equal to 12 by 12. Both sides divided with 12. 3 1s are 3 4s are x square by 4 minus y square by 12. 12 1s are 12 1s are x square by 4 minus y square by 12 is equal to 1, which is the required equation of the locus of px comma y. Therefore, the locus of px comma y is x square by 4 minus y square by 12 is equal to 1 is the answer. This is the process for finding the equation of the locus of px comma y. Here the point of px comma y. Let px comma y be any point on the locus. Let px comma y be any point on the locus. Here given geometric condition PA minus PB. Mod PA minus PB is equal to 4. First of all, you find PA and PB values and substitute and simplifying. This is the process for finding the equation of locus.